It was hard work, this. Breaking the land, building a farm, loving a family into life, making a community. And we did it. With every rock picked, every garden hoed, every nail pounded, every stray cow herded, every meal served, every trip into town. 100 crop years, 100 calving seasons. We did this. Through the minutes, the hours, the days, the years, and the decades. We built up our piece of this province, this almost rectangle we call Saskatchewan. We passed on the know-how, the tall tales, the inside jokes, and all of our hopes to the next generation. The way of the farm, of agriculture, continues to change, evolve, and move forward. And what changes have come and keep on coming. Our legacy is sewn into the patchwork you see from the sky above. Our pieces, each written large in prairie soil with sweat equity. We did this. Let's celebrate Saskatchewan's century family farms.